full color t-shirt printed with a neck label and a sleeve hit printed on this small DTF printer that's about the size of a home inkjet printer. Y'all ready? Let's go.
T-shirt help desk.
So you want to get into the DTF game, but you might not have the budget or the space to build a contraption like this. Let me show you something. Package came. I popped it open, took everything out, and then I set it up. Easy setup, Prestige A4. You just come around here to the side, you just pour in your ink, pull it through the ink lines. It has a roller. Your artwork comes out here, and you're ready to go. Now, if this is the size of a usual DTF printer, this is the size of the Prestige A4. Small, but mighty.
She's the small wonder.
The artwork.
Scrolling and I come to a Tabitha Brown video.
Hello there. Honey, look how me and Donna look just like this. Honey, we one and the same, okay?
But what I really noticed was that bomb-ass t-shirt. And I said, let's make one. So we get on mid-journey. So I'll go in, add a prompt, and I make this Basquiat t-shirt right here. Take it into Photoshop, remove the background, and then I noticed it got all fancy with the face in Photoshop. So I said, I can do that. So I went in and I added all the little colors and stuff and made it look really, really cool. Added a quote by my good friend Baruti, which says, art is freeing, but art is not free. Copied and pasted, and I was liking that.
Printing artwork.
So after that, we had to print that bad boy, cut it. Now I separated the white words on the background because our print area is smaller. Because the printer is smaller. It's small and cute.
Oh, you are so cute. I love your cute little smiles.
Adding adhesive.
So then you add your artwork to a bin with the adhesive powder in it, coat it back and forth, and then you just... Okay, stop. For some reason, this part of the whole DTF thing is throwing some of you guys off. You guys are like, man, that's too much work.
I don't want to do all that.
Man, I ain't doing all that. Guys, it's so easy. You just take the art, put some powder on it, shake it off, and you're done. What's the big deal? Back to the video. So you just slide the adhesive off, you put it in there, you put the powder, right? You slide to the left, slide to the right, like the song, shake off the excess, do the other white letters, and you are done.
The curing.
Once your adhesive is on, you can cure two ways. You can use a heat press, but you must have the ability to hover. You see that space right there? You don't close it, you just let the heat cure. Once it's done, you pick it up and it is done. There's also the oven. This is the Phoenix Air Curing Oven. It is awesome. See, this is a space where you put your artwork, and it has hydraulic arms to stay up and a built-in air filter. Set it for about 290 and 60 degrees. Place your artwork, close it, but you don't turn it on. You turn on the air filter to get any bad fumes out of there. 60 seconds is up. Open the oven, take out your cured artwork, and you're good to go. And make sure if you're curing with the heat press, you're in a well-ventilated area.
The trip to Philly.
Gary. Yo, what's going on?
What's good, player?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
All right, bro, I need a favor. I need to come down to Philly to show these people how to automate the powdering and the curing process. Can I come do that?
Of course, come on down.
Got 3 words for you.
What's that?
I'm there, dude.
All right, see you in a bit. Bye.
Peace. Since I know how much that curing and powder process throws some of you guys off, I'm headed down from New York to Philly to my man Adubb spot, and we're gonna show you
Welcome to Philadelphia.
how to automate that process. So if you come in, you can see everything, and you can see how large everything is. And you can see that there's a machine that adds the powder and shakes everything up and cures it. And at the end, you get a roll of transfers. So if adding powder, shaking, and curing is too much, you could do it like this, but there is an extra cost. So we did that, shot a video, and got the hell out of there.
Printing t-shirts.
So we want to give our shirt a quick pre-press. Then we're going to add our artwork. And you know, I'm going to just get the midway point. Then we're going to add that T-shirt help desk ruler XL, right? Try to get as square as we possibly can. And then we're going to print it. Press the button on that HTV Ront press. 15 seconds at about 320. And that is done. We want to take it, let it cool, because this is a cold peel. And then, like butter, we have ourselves a print. Now we're going to add our white words on the background, take them down to keep it nice and square, add our cover sheet, hit the button, 15 seconds, pull it out, and look at that. We're going to let that thing cool, and now we're going to peel that off. We're going to do one side, and now the other, and look at that, beautiful. And we're going to hit it with one more finishing press with T-Seal. This is what really locks it in and gives it that screen printed look. It is amazing. And after I did it, I realized it's missing something, a neck label. So I printed out some neck labels, went through the whole process, powdered, cured, cut off that neck label, cut it out, added in the back, and then we took our little HTV Ront mini press. This thing is so handy. Did that for about 15 seconds, right? Then I go over here, add that sleeve, hit. You know we got to add that chair, baby, that T-shirt help desk chair. Hit that for about 15 seconds, peel them off, and look at our finished product. Beautiful print, beautiful neck label, beautiful sleeve hit, all with this small but mighty wonder, the Prestige A4. So guys, check out the link down in the description box, the Prestige A4, small but mighty. Anyway, I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. And check out this other video we did on DTF. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.